Hey guys, this is Megan with 1000 Generation Farms. We're just about to head out, and so I wanted to let you guys know what we're going to be doing today. The other day we changed the batteries in the Durmax, so we are actually going to change the fuel filter today. So won't you come farming with us? Okay, so Joseph's gonna take the fuel filter off. Can you use one of those cup wrenches or whatever you use in the combine? Filter wrench. I can't even see that you have it on there. How often do you change those?
Ouch!
Sticker?
Stickers.
Shucks.
Make sure that this O-ring, not O-ring, but this gasket comes off.
And then when you put it back, oh no, mine is
Put a new one on.
okay. Cool.
Water sensor. You need to save that. You need to pull that out. Crap! Did I not bring my? Oh, I did. So you're actually gonna have to unscrew that. There's gonna be like two rings in your with the new filter. I guess it doesn't really matter. This is what the filter. It's yours.
Hold on.
So this is all plastic. I'm gonna try the pipe wrench first.
Your shoe filter. And that's the water filter.
No, it's a sensor.
Sensor. What's Daddy doing? Dumping it out. Cleaning it up.
all plastic.
Was the one you took out plastic?
That's fine.
So this is the new filters?
This is the new filter.
How much did that cost? $90. Sure costs a lot of money.
So I just throw these on my finger and just wet it down. There's some bubbles on there, but should be ready to go back on.
Cool. I mean, it was hard because you didn't really. It was hard to get it out. See how easy it is to get it in there. It'll be a brand new truck when we're done with it.
That, and there your sensor zip back up.
Cool.
And now I just gotta prime it.
How do you do that?
Okay. So now there is a bleeder right here. Or, yeah, I guess that's what you'd call it, bleeder. So we'll crack that loose. Crack him open. That should probably be enough. I don't know, we'll see. Just make it loose. And then this button right here is your primer. So you push that down. I don't know if you can see in there or not. Hear a little bit of air coming out of there. You probably can't hear that because of the wind, but there we got some fuel squirting out. Pretty steady. I don't know, mainly just get the air out. But I can't see. That's pretty decent. Not very many bubbles. I can't get my hand in there, of course. Not very many bubbles coming out. Solid fuel coming out. So I think we got all the air out. So go ahead and tighten that back down. I'm gonna get my electrical diesel fuelie. This is a plastic leader screw, so be careful with it. Snug it back up. Okay, then we will throw this other battery in.